Here we have a 2024 BMW 1250 GSA. We're taking a look at the stock skid plate. You see how it doesn't really give very much coverage. The head pipes are getting all splattered with rocks and gravel and debris and mud, stuff such as that. So we're going to make a change with that today. This is it from the right side, and if you take a look towards the back, you'll see here in a second that the catalytic converter is pretty much exposed. It just has that cheap little plastic center stand thing that doesn't really provide much protection at all. It does not go back very far. It's only held in with those four little bolts right there. Barely covers the headers and doesn't go back very far at all. So like I said, just take a look at that catalytic converter and the head pipes there. So I decided to go with the Black Dog's Cycle Works. It came made in the United States of America. It came packaged really nice. It's made out of 3/16 aluminum. That's almost 5 millimeters of 52 aluminum. Like I said, it's all made right here in the USA. So we're going to unbox that. It comes neatly, nicely packaged. Everything's bubble wrapped, taken care of. Open it right up, and you will get to see really fast just how good the quality is coming from this company. And I am not affiliated with them at all. This is something that I just did my own research on and decided to go with the Black Dog Cycle Works. There are a bunch of other ones that are out there, but this one I was really impressed with the reviews on it. As you see there, it's all nice, thick aluminum. That thing is solid. It's got the nice Black Dog Cycle Work lettering in the front where it mounts up to the front of the engine. This thing is a really nice piece of craftsmanship. To get the old one off, we just take these 4 torque 30s out from the bottom. It comes off really simple. They're not in there with any hard torque or anything like that. So we will just take the torque 30 and get this thing moved and get it up out of there. It comes off super easy. I just had to get the gravel and the mud and all that stuff out from inside there. But you take those 4 out and it just drops right off. And then you have to take the 2 brackets off. There's a bracket in the front and there's a bracket right there in the center that need to come off. Again, those come right off with a T30 comparison. So there you go. Look at the comparison. Look at the stock on the left compared to the Black Dog Cycle Work on the right. Just, it's not even nowhere in the same ballpark. And here we go. Look at this thing installed. Look at how much more coverage you get on the head pipes compared to what we had there from stock. It's amazing, night and day. Just an entirely completely different level of coverage. It looks like it touches the front fender here. That's when it's up on the center stand. Once you take it down off the center stand and you load the front wheel up again, you see you have plenty of space in there. Again, I'm not a mechanic. If you don't feel comfortable with something like that, then by all means, pick a different brand. Reach out to Black Dog Cycle Works and see. But I'm bouncing it up and down. It's not catching anything. It's not hitting anything. If you wanted to, you could even just that rear front fender is plastic. You could just take a Dremel tool or something and cut that right off and not even have to worry about it. But me myself, for what I'm going to do with this motorcycle, I'm not worried about it. And there we go. I'm taking the weight off the front. That's with the front forks, the telelever suspension completely extended. You see, it's not in any way going to damage anything, hurt anything, or get caught up at all. Again, this is the Black Dog Cycle Works skid plate. I am very happy with it. Very excited to get out here and protect this expensive motorcycle from BMW. So hopefully this can maybe answer some of the questions that you have. If there's something else you want to know, leave a comment down below, and I'll answer to you, or I can get you some different angles or whatnot that you need.